My dears, we're at day 10. We're 1/3 of the way through the challenge. How do you feel? Do you feel any different? Are smoothies becoming part of your routine? Interesting to notice, isn't it? In today's smoothie, I'm going to mix things up a little bit. I'm going to use frozen strawberries instead of fresh, because once again, fresh and frozen fruit are interchangeable in my smoothies. I'm also going to use the second half of the Swiss chard bunch from earlier in the week. All right, here we go. Chard goes in the smoothie. Stems and all. Followed by the strawberries. Boom. Frozen blueberries are next. Mango chunks. And one whole apple. This time I didn't rip it in half, as you can see. I did it the old-fashioned way with a knife. And water. Once again, colors are amazing. I want that in my body and I want it now. And we blend. Smells delicious. Oh, where's my jar? It's over here. Give yourself a big hug. 10 days is nothing to be shy about. 10 days is huge. And cheers.